Let's play a game. Let's do some true or false. I have sad news for you, Gen Z. Because as a millennial, no one cares about us anymore. Soon, no one will care about you and they will only care about Generation Alpha. So let me give you the difference between all these generations and all the latest information we have about Gen Alpha. Before we start, hit the bell, subscribe, and leave a comment below. A few days ago, I watched a TED Talk by two individuals called Nishita and Nandini on YouTube. Their TED Talk brought a lot of new ideas to my attention. Let's play a game. Let's do some true or false. So, raise your hand if you think that Gen Z is more independent than previous generations. Do you think it's true? Well, it's false. Raise your hand if you think Gen Z is more rebellious than previous generations. Is it true? Well, no, it's false. Raise your hands if you think Gen Z smokes or vapes more than previous generations. If you think that's true, this is also false. To the surprise of many, Gen Z is less rebellious compared to previous generations, such as Gen X or Millennials. Because of the way society has progressed, is currently shaped, Gen Z has able to approach life differently. While they are less rebellious, it is notable that Gen Z is the generation with the most reported mental health issues. This is so sad, guys. Technology has embedded itself in our lives in more ways that we can count. This has some positive effects, such as the fact that there is more connectivity and outreach with the world around us. However, on the flip side, technology and specifically social media have led to increased rates of mental health difficulties. Because of what they see online, young people having warped perceptions of themselves. As new generations begin to rise, it is important we prepare ourselves to help these groups deal with an ever-changing world and the effects of technology and social media. Today, I'm going to be telling you about a new generation of people called Gen Alpha. Hi, Gen Alpha. Members of Gen Alpha from 2010 to 2025, like Gen Z, are very different from Millennials and Gen X. Gen Z is known for being the more ethnically diverse generation and is on track to being the most educated generation as well. Gen Zers have little to no memory of the world before technology, which is very sad. And now Gen Alpha, on the other hand, will truly not know a world without technology. They will be the most tech savvy, and this will make them learn how to be independent very quickly. Moreover, Gen Alpha is predicted to start dieting, for example, at a younger age and believe strongly in healthy eating as well as exercising. I hope I gave you a bit of insights on Generation Alpha. Sorry, Gen Zers, you're not the latest generation anymore. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell. See you next time. Bye!